what's good? This your boy Worldwide, traveling off the beaten path. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Modest, man. I just touched down. I'm over here in Punta Cana Dominican Republic. And today I'm about to go to the beach party. But I'm going to tell y'all like this, man. Definitely looking beautiful out here. The sun is beautiful. The weather is good.
Mr. Midas, the worldwide traveler, aka the king of travel. His life is like a movie. They think they got you figured out, but they really don't. Remember, don't just talk about it, be about it. Think bigger than your city.
Yeah, Mama John, a restaurant, bar, and grill. As soon as you get to the beach, you see what's happening over here. Welcome to the DR. Another beautiful day in the yeah, man, welcome to the Dominican Republic, man.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, word, man. What kind of fish that is, man?
Yeah.
Word, man. Real talk, man. Getting it in the DR, man. The Dominicano.
Yo, nigger.
Yeah.
Desde Dominic, desde RD. ¿Para dónde? ¿A dónde allá?
Yeah?
¿Dónde allá?
¿Dónde allá?
Sí, faltan lanchas.
Yeah, man, them boy chopping up some fish right here, man. So what y'all do with them fish, them fresh fish? Y'all sell them to the market? Beautiful day in the DR, man. Punta Cana Beach, 2022. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting to get up on this, going to this boat party, you know what I'm saying, 2022. We're checking out the area, man. So the people right there, man, they're getting on the boat, man. They're going to some of the tours out here. So we can see they're still definitely working in 2022, the Dominican. So, you know, beautiful beaches out here. Yeah, Dominican Republic, man. So they still crank up. Yeah, what's good, man?
Yeah, what's going on, Bobby? My name is Sense, Dominican Republic.
Yeah, the king of travel.
Yeah, king of travel. You know, he's the man over here. He talk with the Mr. Everything.
Word. Man, going to one of the nightclubs, man. You
Nightclub, we do the things, right?
Yes, sir.
You got you got everything. I don't want to say, but you got inside though. You got a Coco Bongo, Imagine, Dream Point, Infinity Move. We got all kind of shit, right?
Word.
I'm gonna still be here with my dude. He's my dude.
Word.
He's my man. He's around here about 10 minutes, you know.
This is the land of paradise. Is that true?
Oh yeah, he's a paradise, man. You know that we're supposed to. Everybody talk about the COVID, but you can see what's going on over there. We part it, you know what I'm saying. We're supposed to have a vacuum, you know what I'm saying. But it's cool. You come to spend good time. You fight a good party. You gotta fight a good things. You save, and them say you cool. You can move whatever way you want. You know what I'm saying. This is my dude. You be with me, but you know that. So you safe, bro. Punta Cana is one of the best. It's the paradise, right?
Real talk, man.
That's
paradise.
Right.
Welcome to paradise, man. Punta Cana.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
This is the.
Okay. It's a store right here, man. Get all your souvenirs. Everything, man.
Yeah, we got everything. We got cigars.
Okay. You got it all in here, man. Word. Real talk, man. Okay. Punta Cana. Shirts and stuff like that. Okay. Number souvenir. Your souvenir shop right here.
Oh, you smoke cigars too?
Yeah. I'm gonna probably get one later though, cause right now I'm about to go on that boat tour. Later on
the boat.
Yeah.
What boat? That big boat?
Party boat. Yeah. So I'm gonna definitely check that out, man. But yo. So what's up with this New Jersey license plate right here? What is this about?
The jersey, because you know that it's got some people from different ways. Sometimes you like it. Yeah, like we got it. You know what I'm saying? Like a kind of. But this is one of the nice things. We selling though. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
We selling for the people can have it for souvenirs. The people can put it. You know what I'm saying? The car too. It's depending on where you are. Like Punta Cana.
Okay.
You know what I mean? The same thing you say. We got some. Use this. That.
In the U.S. when it comes to the Dominican women, man, what's the real deal with the Dominican women?
So you know that for the women, Dominican women, it's depend. Not even for only Dominican. We got different women over here. We got a Russian woman, we got a Colombian woman, and Venezuelan and Dominican. So you know the Dominicans are high. It's very, we say caliente. You know what I'm saying? They got a power and nice suit. They move good. They give you the position what you need. And the good stuff, you know that. Good stuff. You enjoy, spend good time. The good, what can I say in Spanish? Good mama. You know what I'm saying? That's like Blue Joe. You know, he's got a lot from people. you know. They the best.
Word. So yo, checking in straight from the Dominican Republic. So you Dominican, you Haitian, man?
Yo, man, I'm Haitian. Okay, I'm born Haiti, but we're part Dominican too. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm Haitian, but I got time to live here. I got everything here. I'm part Dominican and Haitian. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bless you, bro.
Word.
We still be up Punta Cana all the time.
All the time, man. Check it in. Worldwide traveling off the beaten path. Another day, man. So right now about to go on the party boat. You know what I'm saying? And check it out. But yeah, Dominican Republic definitely got it going on Punta Cana. You know what I'm saying? Right now, one of my peoples out here in Punta Cana, he about to go to the boat right now, so we could go ahead and, you know, check out the scenery. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all come to Punta Cana, man. It's popping over here. You feel me? Real talk.
Welcome to Dominican Republic.
Yeah. So this is what 2022 look like. January 2022. Definitely. Dang. Ah, man, they having a good time over here too. I'm telling you, it's beautiful over here. I'm gonna see something, man. I'm gonna see if I could get an interview with this beautiful young lady in the Dominican.
Hola.
Yeah, man. So this is what it is, man. Everybody just out here chilling, relaxing. So y'all know what to expect. Y'all come down here, man. The temperature is nice too, real nice. 2022 Punta Cana, man. You know what it looking like right here. We're doing a beach walk right now. Checking out Punta Cana. Hola. Yeah. Just checking out the area. You know what I'm saying? People. Oh man, want to chill with me. Yeah, man. Checking out the beach. It is beautiful day in Punta Cana, beautiful day in Punta Cana. 2022, I'm in Punta Cana right now, and let me tell you, the weather is great. The people are having a good time, man. Me and my partner Tito about to catch this boat, and we about to catch this boat and go on this little tour. So y'all follow me now. Let's roll, baby.